After you're done putting the lens on the camera, put the laser rangefinder on the camera before you balance it. So I will put it on. To put it on, you have this knob which goes in on here. So I'll just put it on and then I will slide it in. Once I slide it, you can see the lock here. So I will just rotate the lock to make it tightened. So now it will not move. Now I have the cable to connect it. So this is the cable, and you can see one side of this cable is 90 degree and the other one is almost 45 degrees. The 90 degree is gonna go to the laser rangefinder and the other one is gonna go on the DJI Ronin 4D. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it here and I'm gonna start screwing it. And once I'm done with that, so on the side of the Ronin 4D, I have this opening where I will put it in. And I will screw it. So now we're done with putting the laser rangefinder on the Ronin 4D. After that, you have the lens configuration, which is very important. So when you come on lens, you have focus, calibration and motor. If you go on focus, you have autofocus and auto manual focus. After that, you have ROI mode, which means how it's gonna look for the things to focus on. So it's always better to keep on smart. You can keep on wide or spot. So if I keep on wide, it will give me an area. You can see that, which I will have to focus on, pointing on the yellow things. So let me just spot. So you can see the spot. So this is where whatever will be in the spot, it will be focused. But I always keep it in the smart. Manual focus mode is distance or position. So I keep it on distance, and autofocus sensitivity is high, medium or low. And active track speed. What is active track speed? So if I go here and I draw something on this, this is gonna keep tracking this thing. And when there is a person here and he moves, it's gonna track. And how the speed should be is determined by going here, medium, slow or fast. Now these two, invert the zoom direction to the right hand grip or invert the focus direction to the right hand grip are here in case you wanna invert them. So basically you have the knobs to zoom and focus. So in case you was focusing like this and you want it to be inverted, you can do this, and this way it will do that. So if you are having left hand and right hand configuration, or you're not feeling comfortable the way it's doing, you can invert it here. And unit, you can keep it imperial or metric. After that, the calibration, the very important one. So basically, if you are having a lens like this which is attached directly on the camera, you can do the auto calibration and confirm. You can put the name and everything here and then start the calibration, and it will calibrate the lens by itself. But